acting in the show, so there's no chance. So I think मेरे को जो लगता है कि एक शो का USP उसकी स्टोरी होती है. अगर स्टोरी चल गई तो then that's half the battle won. Then of course there's other factors like if there is no cricket match. But the biggest battle for any producer and the biggest battle for television is that we don't have any stars on TV. Neither me, neither the name of a production house will bring somebody to watch a family on TV every day. And TV is not about opening a film or opening day what do you call TRPs also. So it's always a story that will pull people, or the characters that will pull people. So there is no battle yet won unless the show becomes popular and the characters become popular. Then it's half the battle won. I've worked with the boy before, and he's a very good actor, so I wanted to repeat him. As far as the girl goes, I was not getting somebody here who was matching the character that we had created. So we did an all India audition, and in one of the auditions we happened to see the girl, and she was perfect for the role. And after that audition she went through some workshop because she's a new actor, and I think there was a vulnerability required. Vulnerability is something that with a lot of talent or a lot of practice, a lot of acting goes away. So I needed that raw talent, and she had that. Gauri is a brilliant actor, worked with me last, and I'm honored that she's working with me again. I think it's an interesting character. It's very different from what Gauri has done all these years on TV. She has a very pretty face, so she's been given classically positive roles. I won't say this is a negative role, but I would also definitely not classify it as a completely white character. I think she's got a lot of edges in this show. She plays a woman who's overtly practical. Somebody जो कुछ लोग उसे पत्थर दिल भी कह सकते हैं, बिकॉज उसने अपनी लाइफ को बहुत ही दिमाग को इम्पोर्टेंस दी है, दिल को नहीं दी है. एंड शी वॉन्ट्स her daughters to be like that. She wants them to look pretty and marry right, not marry with the heart, because she believes that women who think are always happier than women who feel.
Super excited हूँ, adrenaline rush है मेरी बॉडी में and plus it's a boy centric story. What else I could ask for? It's a dream role and मतलब मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. मतलब इतना बड़ा चैनल, इतना बड़ा प्रोडक्शन हाउस, ऊपर से stories about the boy. So सोने पे सुहागा है मेरे लिए. That's why it is different because this character has various shades and रणवीर का एक ऐसा कैरेक्टर है जो घर में बहुत आसानी से जल कर जाता है. ही मतलब वो टिप्स बहुत देता है रिगार्डिंग टू स्टॉक मार्केट. जो घर के जो ओनर हैं उनको टिप्स देता है और उन्हीं से मतलब वो बहुत प्रॉफिट करते हैं. सो ही इज़ अ राइट हैंड ऑफ द फैमिली. वट एवर वर्क वॉन्ट्स टू बी गेट डन दे हैव टू कैच रणवीर. रणवीर तुम ये मंडप सेटअप कर दो, रणवीर ये प्लीज़ इनको संभाल लो, ये कर लो, वो कर लो. तो एवरी काम के कोई भी काम करवाना होता है तो फिर वो रणवीर को पकड़ते हैं. So that's how it's special and plus you'll get to see amazing chemistry between the boy and the girl. They share a very cute chemistry, very no-joke kind of a chemistry. So this is an interesting part of the show.
I'm very much excited. I'm like on the top right now and every day is an adventure for me. It's a new adventure and I'm super duper excited. Ishani is really sweet, she's really innocent and she really believes in love and commitment. She's the ideal daughter, I think, and the ideal sister and really believes in her values. Yeah, the main thing is that we haven't seen a male-centric story from a very long time. Like on television itself, सारी stories जो होते हैं female point of view से होते हैं कि okay she likes him and all. But this is the first time television पे male-centric story आ रही है and the characters are very much defined. They know they're not like कि अच्छा वो driver का बेटा है तो he'll be like oh madam ji. He's full on like मस्ती करता है, full on मुंह पे बेइज्जती करता है, जो भी करता है. So that masala is there in the story. The script is really amazing, really innovative, and that's what makes it different.